Put yourself in someone's shoes as our final example, and this idiom means to empathize with someone by imagining yourself in their situation. It's crucial for understanding and addressing customer needs effectively. Let's imagine that a customer is frustrated about a delay. You consider how you'd feel in their position and respond with understanding and a solution. You could say, "I understand how frustrating this must be for you. I will do everything I can to resolve it quickly." And there you have it, some really powerful expressions to elevate your customer service skills. Remember, mastering these phrases will not only help you communicate more effectively, but also build stronger relationships with your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest lessons. I'm Craig. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.